Hi, my name's Jock, one of the founders of Mobble, and I'm going to give you a quick run through on how to print off or export your farm records. So you can be printing off your mobs for contractors or paddocks for your own staff, or export records into Excel so you can do your own stuff with it later on. So the way we do that is by going to the Mobble web app, and you can find that via our website. So you can go up to the top corner here and log in to the Mobble web app if you have a Mobble account. And this will take you to the Mobble web app. So there's a number of things you can do here. So this will take you to the Mobble web app. So there's a number of things you can do here. You can view our paddocks, mobs, all the things you normally find in the mobile app, mob actions, etc. And we can export these things. So I'll give you an example of exporting mobs. So quite often you want a list of your mobs in paddocks. Maybe you want to print this out off for shearing, or you want to print this off for someone doing feedless or something like that. I'm not sure, but it could be a number of reasons. So what I would do is I would sort the mobs by paddocks. So you click on the paddocks, and you can see now it's sorted by paddocks. You can see alphabetical order, and then we can even filter that down. So if you're maybe just interested in the U mobs, or maybe your cows or whatever it is, click on just the U's, and then that'll filter these mobs down to just show the U's. And to print this off, we find this print button up in the top right corner, and as simple as pressing that, and you can review how it's shown, and if that's all good, press print, save, and print. Good to go. The other thing you can do is you can download a CSV file, which is a file that you can use in Excel. So you can press this button here, up in the top right again, download CSV, and that'll just download, and you can open that up in Excel or however you want. And that can be done with nearly anything that you've recorded in Mobble, such as mob actions or paddock actions, etc. So I hope that helps. And if you have any questions, feel free to get in touch with us at Mobble. Thanks.